The deviation of man from the state in which he was originally placed by nature seems to have proved to him a prolific source of diseases. The deviation while the vaccine discovery was progressive, the joy I felt at the prospect before me of being the instrument destined to take away from the world one of its greatest calamities, smallpox, blended with the fond hope of enjoying independence and domestic peace and happiness, was often so excessive that, in pursuing my favorite subject among the meadows, I have sometimes found myself in a kind of reverie. I hope that some day the practice of producing cowpox in human beings will spread over the world. When that day comes, there will be no more smallpox. I shall endeavor still further to prosecute this inquiry, an inquiry I trust not merely speculative, but of sufficient moment to inspire the pleasing hope of its becoming essentially beneficial to mankind.